ever, the insurance company experiences a cost when they send an adjuster out. Is that true?
Absolutely.
It's typically $300. It's about what the average contract adjuster makes just for taking a claim, if they don't even write a dime. So imagine 3 no-pay claims on one policy over 5 years. That's $1,000. You might only be paying $1,200 a year for your premium total on the house, and you've eaten up $1,000 of that in really frivolous claims. It's not good for the homeowner. It's not good for the carrier. It's not good for anybody. It's expensive.
So this is a cautionary tale, because you really need to use a lot of discretion before you pick up the phone and call your insurance adjuster.
Yeah, you don't want to cry wolf.
Right. Yes.
Absolutely. Something Jason touched on in his earlier segment. Every carrier out there is going to perform a brief external inspection. Severe cases, there will be an internal inspection ordered, but those are very rare. But on the external inspections, they're going to do just a very light walk around. And something he touched on, which I've seen happen with a lot of clients. He mentioned tree limbs. Obviously, those can severely impact your roof and how everything's going to be rated. So you need to make sure things like that are taken care of.
I believe if you have roofing damage, what is my personal financial liability? Isn't the insurance industry and the way it handles claims, isn't that changing?
Yeah, coverages are changing. We're starting to see this in the field. There were days where, deductibles were maybe $250. You always had, full replacement cost coverage. It's kind of an interesting statistic. Since 1980, insurance claims for hail have gone up 2,000%. And that is contractor driven. The insurance companies are starting to limit some of their exposure for wind and hail. So we're seeing bigger deductibles. We're even seeing some depreciating coverages. So it's really important to understand with your agent, Curt, make sure they understand their coverage. I mean, you don't want to have a 2% deductible in ACV policy, which is actual cash value, not replacement, if you don't have the funds necessary to self-insure maybe the first half of a full replacement on a roof.